guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you could join me today for another wig video. If you are new to the Diamond family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and become a part of the gang. If you are already a subby to my channel, make sure you hit that notification button so you can get notified every time a new video is on my channel, because you guys know I drop videos like hotcakes, so make sure you are always up to date on my videos. This video is all about this blonde bombshell bob wig. So let's jump right into it. I haven't done like one of these videos where I'm talking to you guys in a very long time. I usually do voiceovers because it's just more easier, and you know, I can make the video a lot more shorter just because I ramble a lot. It's just better for me to do voiceovers, but so I'm just going to read off this piece of paper on the details on this hair. So this wig is from OMGqueen. This is their Sierra Blonde wig. The color of this wig is 613 with the number 4, so that would be, you know, the darker color on top. So really it's 4-27-613. I don't really know what the 27 would be. I see the 4. I see, well, I guess, I don't know. Girl, I don't know. I'm just going by the paper, okay? This is high quality Indian virgin hair. The texture of this hair is silky straight. This is a 12-inch. The density on this wig is 130%. The cap size is average. The hairline is pre-plucked. And what else I want to say? This is a glueless lace front wig. I would say that the hairline is pre-plucked, but it's kind of hard to really know for sure because the roots of the color is a dark brown, so naturally, you know, you're not going to be able to see those little black dots. They're going to be a little more invisible compared to having black roots. But I did not like bleach this frontal. I did not use my staple, the Sally Hansen makeup. Only thing I used was a liquid foundation just to put on the part to kind of emphasize that part. You guys know I wouldn't have it any other way but to add some foundation to my part. So let's talk a little bit about this wig. First off, as far as the density, I feel like this is just your normal wig. Now maybe it is a little bit more heavier than your average wigs. I can definitely tell that the density is not in the hairline at all, because the hairline is pretty thin, as you can see. So that is a good thing when it comes to achieving a natural wig look. I would say the texture of this hair, I could tell the quality of it is pretty good just by how I'm running my fingers through it and how it does have a nice luster to it, and it also still has body. Most of the time when you're getting hair that has been processed in any type of way, it's going to feel a little drying. It's going to feel like it's been processed, but that's not the case with this hair. The hair still feels really silky and smooth, so there's no complaints on that. This hair is not dry at all. However, I do feel like when it comes to blonde hair, I always notice strands. I don't know if it's because it's blonde, so it sticks out a lot more, but this hair does shed, but it does not shed any more than any other wig that I have, you know. So it's not like it's a wig that is going to cause you, you know, to become pissed because it sheds like a damn dog. No, this is not the case. You do get a couple of strands, but it's nothing that's going to cause a big deal. Here's the thing that I like about this wig. So the texture of this wig is silky straight. I can already tell this hair is going to hold a curl. I don't know if it's because of the pre-cut layers in this wig, because the layers are popping in this wig as you can see in the video. I love this cut. Like, if all my short wigs could come layered like this, oh my god, like, it would save so much time. It would give me the perfect look that I'm going for. Like, I love it. Whoever layered this hair did a really good job at making sure the hair falls exactly where it is supposed to fall. When it comes to the parting space on this wig, you don't get a whole lot of parting space. About 3 inches of parting space. The hairline on this wig is really good as well. I really like the whole number 4 roots, because it just makes it look a lot more natural without having to do any type of plucking. And sorry, I'm looking right here in the mirror just checking myself out because I'm just here for this wig. This wig is absolutely beautiful. I do wish that it was a little bit more fuller, just so I could get a little bit more volume on the hair, but that's just a personal preference of mine. The hair does not look wiggy at all. The blonde does not look shiny and plastic, and that's one thing that I like as well, because sometimes when you get blonde hair, it can definitely look real Barbie dollish. That's not the case with this wig. They did a really good job with making sure they nailed the color, they nailed the natural hairline, they nailed the layering. So they did a really good job with knowing how to provide a great blonde wig. Online, I would never pick this wig because it just, girl, it doesn't look good at all. So OMG Queen, I'm gonna need y'all to update that wig, okay? You know, you might want to replace it with more, because she ain't got it. That's all I have to say about this wig. If you guys want to purchase this wig, make sure you check out the link below. Make sure you rate this video, comment on this video, and of course make sure you share this video with your friends. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.